Fresh intelligence detail received says the 6 highly trained Zimbabwean Central Intelligence Organization CIO Assassins have been deployed to South Africa on a must-win mission to eliminate Honorable Kasukuwere and Mzembi. Sandapinda mashoko abuda achishoka vanhu aishamisa vanhu pamusoro pekunzi aiwa vakomana votumwa eSouth Africa kuti vanoeliminata Kasukuwere Mzembi. Ndinobva subscribe like what on the bell icon. Tipina pana pamwe international cables network ndopana wamudanyira chiti the extraterritorial assignment comes hot on the use of pressers by respected senior war veterans led by Blessed Geza. We have detailed Amazon Mnangagwa's failures and called on him to resign. The contingent of assassins include 5 men and 1 woman, whereby some traveled by airlink which departed Harare Thursday morning, while others drove to South Africa in a Zim-registered double cab. The embattled Mnangagwa believes Kasukuwere and Mzembi are working with the vocal war veterans and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga in trying to oust him from power. The covert operation includes a directive to proceed to Namibia, where they will trial and assassinate prominent political activist Comrade Masura Say, who has been at the center of exposing intricate security-related information on Mnangagwa's administration since June 2020. Renowned for his accuracy in predicting and reporting events, Masura Say has become a person of interest to Mnangagwa's administration. The international cables network vachi expose kuti vakomana vana Kasukuwere vari pa-threat vari kunzi vanhu vari kubetserana nana nemawo veterans kuti vakonzeresa isi-ouster. Tunze mafunguro enyu noti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mabvira comment section medu, subscribe or like.